Alternative Dispute Resolution Cell is a student-run cell which is responsible for providing a platform for training and conducting national-level events, workshops on ADR-related activities, etc., with the hope of altering the students' perspective of resolving disputes. Through a series of engaging events, both at the national and college level, the ADR cell provides students with hands-on exposure to negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and other dispute resolution mechanisms. These experiences not only hone their legal skills, but also foster critical thinking, teamwork, effective communication, negotiation tactics, conflict management, and problem-solving abilities. By participating in these initiatives, our students gain a competitive edge, preparing them to excel in both their academic and professional journeys.